backstory here. The Rusty Relics, Rusty Rangers, we're finally back together again. Yeah. I'm sure we're really rusty. This is a friend of mine's house, the haunted house, obviously, but I believe it's 1900. And so he gave us permission to come out here and detect. It's been months since we all got together and did anything because of our lives and families and things going on and business.
But yeah, we don't have a whole lot of area to detect because it's a construction site, so there's like debris everywhere. But it might be a multi-visit hunt, so we'll see what we can find.
I read you there, little Rosie.
This place creep you out a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit. The smell.
Oh, it does smell old. It smells really old.
That's just me.
It's good to be back though.
Yeah.
No, I haven't dug in a while. I don't even know what silver looks like or feels like or smells like. So I'm excited
Do you
to
remember what it tastes like?
finally get all the dig, yeah.
Well, the house was built in, was it 1900?
Yeah.
1900. So back in the day, it was kind of a popular house in this neighborhood. A lot of people gathered here for parties, it sounds like. It was the nicest house in the neighborhood for a long time. So maybe they lost something. Hopefully they lost some money or some tokens. Or
We don't know how well we'll do here,
Yeah, we don't know.
but we'll do our best.
So,
Yeah, let's find it.
Okay. Thank
All
you
right.
for joining us.
Go Rangers.
yeah, go Rangers. Boom. Hey Josh, you remember what these are for?
I think it's a radio.
Yeah, the two-way radios.
Okay.
That's exactly what they are.
Justin, can you hear me?
Signals all over, huh?
Right, yeah. I think it's a wheat. I think I got a wheat.
You got a wheat?
Yeah, that's probably a
Oh, it does
50s.
look like a wheatie.
Nice.
I'm guessing 50... 55.
57.
I'm guessing I'm not sure if we'll be able to read this one.
It's a wheat.
You're guessing that.
It's a red patina wheat though, so I'm
It's
guessing
a wheatie.
50s?
No dater?
No dater.
It probably has been.
Not a
It's very
greenie.
popular with the
And where did you find that
also
out?
Right here.
no dates.
Right there?
There was another signal too.
Oh, it is really...
You see it?
No, it's pretty,
We'll take it to the lab and we'll figure out what it is.
Relic Ranger Lab.
Yeah. Ranger lab.
They're pretty quick there, aren't they?
Yeah. They got a pretty good turnaround, like 4 months.
4 months around.
Oh wait, we got something really clean right here.
Ooh. It's not that?
Oh yeah, this could be a little spill. Could have a silver rosy with it maybe? Maybe a mercury? Maybe a pull tab?
Maybe,
Don't jinx it.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say it.
Illuminati.
Oh my gosh, honey, right off the bat.
It's gotta be. It's got, look at the hole. This place is cursed for sure.
Right? We can see right there. Look.
Now we know why this place is haunted.
Ugh.
Washington State tax token. Hit it.
Should we play Indian, Memorial,
Really?
or Wheat Penny?
Oh, is it still in the car? Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a huge call. Oh my gosh. Oh, there.
It's nice and green on the side.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
okay.
gotta be that's definitely an old penny, huh?
Wow.
Could be a situ.
That was my foot.
It is. I see. I think I see 1 cent on there. Yeah, it's a wheat penny.
Keep going?
Yeah.
It's an older one though.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, there you go. Take the
Yeah.
gloves off and we get a date on it.
Sweet.
1935.
Oh,
25.
25?
no way.
25D.
That's really good. Good job.
98 years old. 98-year-old Penny.
Very nice.
Good job, man.
Yeah.
Damn.
Boom.
He's got the oldest coin so far.
I got the oldest junk so far.
I got something right here. Might be good. What is that? Sound like a high tone.
Good job,
It
Justin.
was a screamer.
Yeah. That sounded good.
It had a little bit of depth. Is it down that deep? Oh wait. No, it's
Is
right
it
here.
out?
No, that couldn't be that. No, that's iron.
I still have all my treasures in here from the last time.
Is it really
yeah?
from Montesano?
No, from just
Oh.
never cleaning it out.
What's
I got a lead soldier head. I have my 927 bale seal,
Oh, I remember.
silver ring, and that artist place in town where they cut out
Oh,
a silver
yeah.
Rosie.
Oh, that's cool.
Didn't you found something like that up way hill?
Yeah,
too,
that's where we.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's where we found it.
That's cool, man. That's unique.
Yeah.
That's awesome. This is probably gonna be a pretty good jam. This sounds too good. The numbers weren't like silver. Take a look. I love marbles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a clean, very clean.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's my
That's your target.
there's my clean signal.
Oh man.
And I saw that on the shovel as soon as I popped it up.
Yeah.
Looks like it's too old, but
Very nice.
marble nonetheless.
Heck yeah.
Sweet.
Here's another one right here. Oh.
All green. Piece of green jasper.
Hey, they had kids here. So.
Oh yeah, that one's burnt up good. Well, gooder.
Ooh, toasty.
Yeah, be tough to find a date on that one. Probably my 09 SVDB.
Oh, that's cute.
Does it say anything on it?
Looks like it's got a heart.
Does it say best friends forever?
Like, come on. Let's see. I don't know if it's got design.
Ow. The heck is that?
Oh, it has initials on it.
It has initials on it?
VA.
BA?
Virginia and Andrew.
Yeah.
Look at that, right there, VA. How cute is that? It's like meant to be.
You gotta pull up this slab.
Cool.
Is it gold?
I think it had gold on it at one time. I can see a little sliver inside of one of the flowers.
Oh, that's cool.
We got a target under the slab.
That goes in my pocket.
Do we bring the roto drill?
Got a key? Yeah. What kind?
It's got a neat hole in it.
There's 2 cars over there.
Yeah. Well, let's start that car over there.
What kind of cars are they, Ben?
I think one's an El Camino.
Caballero is said on the side.
Oh, El Dorado?
Caballero. Big diff.
That's cool. Check that key out.
Ooh.
Got something neat on it. Wow.
That's really cool, honey.
It's got writing on it and stuff.
I don't have an extra hand to see. All these
Chevy
are...
key.
I don't know. Look at that logo on it. Isn't that cool? I've never seen a key like that before. With that kind of a...
Oh yeah.
What does it say?
Blank number H11 USA.
Does it say Ford?
Something Ohio. Cleveland, Ohio.
It was like Scream and Dig Me.
Certified Cleveland, Ohio. And some type of emblem. Kind of resembles an anteater, but I doubt it's an anteater.
That'd be cool.
It does look like that.
Yeah, with a long
That's
snout on it.
It does.
You gotta move this pile of wood right here. Here's a war nickel.
Yeah.
That's a cool key, babe. We actually need a pot holder. I have one on our Macy's wish list.
You want this one?
Yeah.
See, it's got like little legs. I mean, it's shaped like an old iron, but I don't know.
Yeah,
It's
it
got
is.
these little legs right here, like it sat on stove. I don't know. Is that like a leaf pattern or something? Anyway,
It's really pretty.
if anyone knows what that is or was, leave a comment.
And little Rosie get a new one.
We'll put it over here at the stove. Yeah. We'll start a GoFundMe for a new one.